Spices are very important in the Lebanese culture. Sweet, spicy, citrusy, you name it, we use it. And we love bread. And when you put bread and spices together, you get Manakish. And I'm doing two classic versions. One of them is with Za'atar, and one of them is gonna be with meat. For the first one, I'm making Za'atar. Lots of citrusy sumac, some peppery oregano, and that minty, dry thyme, and our toasted sesame seeds. And to mix that all together, a little bit of olive oil, and a pinch of salt, and some lemon juice. And these Manakish, they kind of look like mini pizzas. And a little tip that I like to do is to create little indents just to help the za'atar sit on the dough properly. And for something so simple, it's just so flavorful. And now for my second Manakish. This one has meat on it. I'm putting lamb, so we call it lahme bi'ajin. And I just want to soften my onions a little bit before I spread them over my Manakish. The tomatoes are gonna cook with my onions, and then I'm gonna let them cool down before I add in my lamb. We love our lamb in Lebanon and our spices. I'm gonna add a little bit of honeyed cinnamon, old cardamom. And now that my tomatoes and my onions have cooled, I'm gonna add that as well. And again, in Lebanon, we love to use our hands to mix our meat. We like to really get in there. I just want to make those same indents so that the meat sits really well on my dough. In Lebanon, after a night on the town, you know, out with your friends, you get a little hungry, this is our go-to. We like to stop for some Manakish. You can really smell the spices, the cinnamon. How delicious do these look? And wait till you see them cooked. My za'atar smells so good. And this spice mix, it varies region for region, so you can really make it your own. It's such a versatile spice. Now for my lahme bi'ajin. A little bit of citrus on this, and it is the most delicious breakfast I've ever had. I love when my dough is a little crunchy. I like to make them nice and thin. I like the dryness of the thyme and the minty thyme. A little bit of cucumber. And my favorite, lahme bi'ajin. A little bit of lemon, make it nice and citrusy. There's so many different spices in our Manakish. And I told you, we love our spices.